Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a cannon ball shoot fire in different direction. So first I will show you how it look like. Now you see that with my mouse the cannon will rotate, and when I click the fire is instantiated and move in different direction with different speed. So let's get started. First I will create a use a simple background environment and a bottom simple sprite box sprite and attach a box collider 2D to it. The other is a cannonball shoot simple sprite, and I have create a simple empty object and move it to the front of the cannon and name it shoot point. I have attached a simple script, name it cannon fire. So I will show you the script. The script is pretty simple. First I will create a public transform shoot point to get the shoot point so we can shoot our fire from that point. The next is public rigid body 2D cannon fire, that is a prefab we have used to instantiate when we click with mouse. The next is private float fire speed, how much speed we use to move our fire. Next is float direction modifier, so we can fire our cannonball in cannon fire in different direction on runtime and random speed. In update method, I am use vector to dir, name is direction, to get the camera dot main dot screen toward point and give the input dot mouse position and minus transform dot position to get the exact position of fire point to move our cannon with the mouse cursor. Next is the float angle. I am use float angle equals to mathf dot turn to and give the direction y and direction x and multiply it with mathf dot ret to degree to convert it into angles. The rotation is cotangent. Rotation is equal to cotangent dot angle axis and angle minus 90, so we can move in we can rotate in 90s and move in forward direction. And simply next transform dot rotation is equal to rotation. This 4-line code is used to rotate the cannon with mouse cursor. Next is input dot get mouse button down. I will create a simple fire cannonball function to fire our cannonball. In this function, simply create a loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Var cannon fire to instantiate the prefab of bullet. Simply instantiate cannon fire and give the shoot point dot position where we want to instantiate our fire and the shoot point dot rotation in the same rotation. Next is the direction modifier. I am use simple direction modifier and give the random range between minus 0.5 and 0.5, so our fire will move between these directions. And the random speed, simply random dot range is equal to 200 and 500 to move with the speed. And cannon fire dot add force, then I use this function add force new vector to 0 plus direction modifier and the x value is 1 and multiply it with random speed. Now this is the script. Now save it, go to the Unity and simply attach the script to your cannon ball and drag and drop the shoot point and a prefab that I have created. This prefab simply attached our rigid body. Sorry, this is the, we have to remove this component, or you can box collided, it's not required. Simply add the rigid body 2D and angular drag 0 and gravity scale also 0, and drag and drop this into a prefab folder. Now it will create a prefab. Now simply drag and drop this prefab in Cannon Fire, and now the component we have give to our script. Simply now let's check it. Now you see that the cannon move with my mouse cursor direction, and when I click, the fire instantiate and move in forward direction. You can increase the speed of fire according to your need. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have any question or suggestion, you can leave a comment.